Welcome back to the channel, Loving Life Mallorca. I'm Andrew. Today I brought you down to Sa Coma. We're going to have a great little bike ride all down the biking lane, obviously having a look at what's going on. We're going to go to Cala Millor and finish a bike ride at Cala Bona. Well, I brought my little bike, as I was saying, with me, a little fold up one, the Angwe P20, and it folds up, so I showed you on a previous video, so it went neatly in the back of the car, as I was saying. So it just proves to you what a brilliant bike it is, and it's an e-bike as well. So I'm really interested with this because it's all flat round here, and I've seen so many bikers round here, e-bike and everything else. And in the summer you see skateboarders, electric scooters, a whole lot doing this trip. And I remember saying to you when I've been walking it, I'd love to do all this on a bike. What we are today, aren't we? So come on, let's get on with it. So in the summer, just over there, there's a little children's area of blow-ups and all the rest of it, all games and toys and things. So you know, if I come round here, we go around the front of the hotel next to the sea and things, or you can go where we came in by from the other side. But it's a lovely little ride, this is. Beautiful walk. It's ideal round here if you've got mobility issues. In the summer months, you can come down here by bikes, as saying, skateboards, rent a scooter. I used 4 or 6 little bicycle things the whole family sit on. That's a ting train, or a regular bus, or obviously a taxi, or walk it yourself. There's loads of different ways of doing this actual walk itself. Normally there's loads of cafes en route, but since we're the end at beginning of November rather, I bought my sandwiches and a drink just in case, because you really never know what you're going to find, do you? But the beach still looks inviting, doesn't it? So if you fancy getting yourself a little bike, wherever you are, they do free delivery, and I'll put on in below, I'll put in any links that I've got to purchasing them. So this is the Angwe P20 I'm testing today. I've got this car park space. You know, in the summer, as you can imagine, it really does get very busy around here with parking. You have to be really lucky to find a parking space. But as you can see at the moment, being we're in winter, you know, there's no issue at all with it. That's where you go through. You want to go and see the castle, just through there. Just go through and join the cycling path just through here. How about? Nice to see people on them, isn't it? Using them. Lots of cafes and bars just the other side of the road, just over there. Some of them are open, which basically surprised me, because this is, you know, a bit more lively, if you like, isn't it, than the top of the island. So we are following the way I normally walk when we come down here. They are trying to make Mallorca more, you know, a longer season, which would really be nice, wouldn't it? Just going to pass another cyclist in a minute. There's no rush. I'm quite happy to just take my time and enjoy and look at a view, you know, to see what we're looking at when we go past and things. It's a lovely ride. So I bought me sandwiches today and a drink just in case, and we'll stop en route and have something as we go on. I'm across the road now, just by the hotels and things. As you can see here, there's plenty of places to chain your bike up from if you're on holiday and things. Just over here, Delaney's over. That's a busy little bar, isn't it? You often see it advertised everywhere on Facebook and things. They have live music. So I was saying, with the horse riding and things like that, you know, on the right hand side here, you'll find it all across country and things. So if you do like your mountain biking and things, there's lots to do on cross country here. So saying about this bike, it's a lovely bike. I mean, it's got lights, front lights and back lights, all connected through the battery. It's even got a brake light, so when you pull your brakes on, it even lights up the brakes. It's got rear indicators, 3 speeds, and there's lots of room on the handlebars. That's what I've got my GoPro at the moment, just sitting there happily on my handlebars just there. There's even a cycle path that takes us right across the beach just here. So this is ever so busy, this beach, as you can imagine in the summer. Just going to go on the cycle path now. Well, I've got my sandwiches here and a drink, and just sitting in a corner, just looking at the sea and people walking past. It's lovely, it really is. Cheers all. I always say I love it when I take the drone up, but it's just something so special about it, isn't there? I know, in Cala Millor now. This is a big old place, Cala Millor is. It's a lovely beach. Seems to go on for a long way. These don't turn off. Just keep on this cycle route or walking, and you just walk all the way up there to Cala Bona, where it's a lovely port there with some great restaurants and things. There's a few hotels open down here. So maybe I might have a good chance of finding a cafe to have at least a drink, if nothing to eat as well. Come over here as well, come around the corner here. This is where we can pick up the boat trips. Because around here. just around the corner here is where you have the objects having photos taken by. Yeah, it's a little window with things, isn't there? So I've often said art is a bit strange. It doesn't have to be about anything, does it? Art can just be, I don't know, just be thrown paint, can't it? As we've seen, these are what I'm talking about here. Like that's a window you can look through. So it's just so different. I mean, it's plenty of benches to sit down and look at the sea. Well, these all seem to be shut up, don't they? These shops, cafes just here. A lot of maintenance going on to these hotels. So we're actually in Cala Bona now. And the actual port itself is just round the corner here. As you see here, you've got places, there's a scooter over there to rent, those bike things for families. There's another cafe down here open. Oh, here we are, welcome to the port. Again, as you can see, plenty of spaces to park your bike. It's just a very relaxing cycle ride this is for me today. And it's all so flat, it's just a pleasure, to be honest. It really is lovely. Rope and anchor, that's open. That's over there. But I popped in the cafe, had a Coke. It was bought me out a little plate of chips as well, lovely. This is lovely down this. It's really nice and warm. There's a couple of people around as well, as you can hear. It's a lovely port, isn't it? It really is. So I've enjoyed my Coke in the cafe. I've just played with the drone again. And I've just come round the corner here to see what it's like. I mean, it looked lovely from the sky, didn't it? With all the rocks and things. Another cafe round here open. There's a few around here, isn't there? It's quite nice. There goes the cycle track in this direction. I've never actually been round this far because normally when I've done the walk, it's normally so hot. I'm just looking forward to getting back to the car again because I've got another hour to walk. But with this, it's just eating up the mileage, isn't it? I always say that, don't I? So it's just nice to have a look around the next corner, just in case I've always missed something. So I'm just going to take the way back now. We're going to stop off some of the shops. And to see what there is. So it's just heading towards where all the shops are now, just down this little alleyway here. Wonder how many we're going to find is open. That's a few, isn't it? Every time I come down here, they always seem, which is only probably once a year at the most, they always seem to be doing some kind of maintenance down here. There's another little ice cream shop, come cafe open there on the left. A little amusement arcade there. And it's open as well. There's a few bits there, they're open, isn't it? It's quite pleasant. It's always nice to find a little cafe bar, isn't it? I keep on forgetting how big this actual shopping street is. Do you come up here when you buy a few goodies and presents or whatever? Let us know down in the comments what you think of it. Just this little street here. Yeah, just on my right there's a go-kart place. That looks quite good, I must admit. And some children's rides and things as well. And this is where the buses and the Ting train works, but obviously we're out of season now, so none of it's working, is it? I hope you enjoyed today's film. It's a lovely little ride, isn't it? It's flat the whole way as well. The lovely cafes and bars down the end, Cala Bona. If you enjoyed today's film, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget Facebook group Love and Life Mallorca. I'll catch you on the next film. Bye for now.